guys, this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you another 3 super simple wall decor DIY ideas. Those are the finished looks. If you are interested, please keep watching. Let's get started. For the first idea, we're going to use the balloon size measurement tool from Dollar Tree. As you can see in the video, each bag has 9 pre-cut plastic circular rings, which allow you to measure the balloon with sizes from 2 inches to 10 inches. I also really like those plastic rings are semi-transparent. If you overlay them together, it will give you some very beautiful 3D pattern. To glue them together, I just used hot glue gun. It worked pretty well. I just want to mention each ring does have some letters indicating the size of the ring. You probably want to stack those letters one on top of each other. In this way, you won't be able to see those letters after you glue 9 pieces together because they are not transparent anymore. I prepared 4 overlaid pieces, and the next step is to lay out them onto the black canvas or blackboard. I decided to reuse the large black canvas I used in the DIY project from last week, and use the painting tape to help lay out the pattern which I wanted. To glue those 4 pieces onto the blackboard or canvas, you can consider using hot glue gun or 6000, whichever works for you. Now let's check out how the first DIY idea looks. It's a beautiful artwork to me. Feel free to let me know how you think about this wall decor. If you are new to my channel or like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. This way you will not miss any new videos in the future. Now let's check out the second DIY idea. For this idea, we're still gonna use those balloon mirroring tools, but I spray painted them in gold color. Then I just chose some pattern which I want to lay out those golden rings onto the black canvas. This is the first pattern I used for this DIY idea. This is the second pattern I also tried. Both of them look beautiful to me. I just really like the contrast between golden pattern and the black background. Now let's jump into the third DIY idea. For this idea, we're gonna use the plastic paper plate holder from Dollar Tree. You can also check more details of this item from the description box below. As you can see from the video, each holder has a hollow and neat design of the bottom. I really like that. Each plate also has 3 small openings on the side. I decided to use those small craft mirror to cover those imperfections. and it worked pretty nicely. I also wanted to take advantage of the hollow pattern of the bottom, so I decided to attach the LED light on the back of the holders. The next step is to lay out 4 holders onto the black canvas. To attach them, I used the hot glue gun. Now let's check out how this idea looks. This is how the wall decor looks without turning on the LED light. It is beautiful, isn't it? This is how the wall decor looks when the LED light is on during the night. It looks very nice to me. Those are the 3 DIY projects I wanted to show you guys today. They all look beautiful to me and also very easy to do. Hopefully you're gonna like it. This is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.